Hey, so this is science lesson number 2 in reproduction. We're going to talk about what does offspring mean, what is genetics, and what is identical. What is all that about? So offspring. I'm going to say it twice. Offspring. Offspring. Offspring is a noun. Go ahead and write this word down twice into your document. We're going to learn more about what offspring means on the next slide. So the word offspring can be explained in different ways, but they all pretty much mean the same thing. Offspring means a result. It also means a human child or animal child or the children of family for many years. So if you think about it, a human child or an animal child comes as a result of two parents, whether they're humans or animals. It could even work for plants too. In science, offspring means the product of reproduction. So it means the same thing as we just said, but it's now using our science vocabulary, okay? And it's produced by either one or more parents. So an example of an offspring is the cub of two lions at the zoo, because the two lions are the parents. So product means result. Reproduction. Does that word look familiar? There's a lion and two cubs. Genetics. Let's go ahead and look at the word. Genetics. Let's say this word twice. Genetics. Genetics. Go ahead and write this word twice into your document. Meaning, let's talk about and learn what genetics means on the next slide. So genetics is the study of heredity, and we're not really going to talk about this word too much, but it basically means how certain features pass from parents to their offspring. Oh, so the young resemble their parents, but offspring are not usually exactly the same as your parents. Like you, do you look exactly like your mom? Do you look exactly like your dad? Some people may look very similar, but no one is actually exactly alike. So hair or color or height may be different. Offspring is here again. Do you think that's why we talked about that already? Humans are never exactly the same as their parents, and we just talked about that, okay? It's like here. There's an example of a son with a dad and a mom. Same ears, same eyes here, but got the hair color from the mom and height similar to the mom and not the dad. Identical. Let's go ahead and say this word twice. Identical. Identical. Go ahead and write this word twice into your document. This one is different. If you notice, it says adjective and not noun because it's describing something. What kind is it? What are they like? What kind of twins are they? Identical. Meaning, let's learn more about what identical means on the next slide. The word identical means being exactly alike. Did you already knew that? Here's some examples. So let's repeat this again. We learned what offspring, genetics, and identical means. Offspring is a child of a human or animal. Genetics is how certain features pass on from parents to offspring. Identical means exactly the same. So what did you learn about offspring, genetics, and identical today? Make sure you go ahead and write that down in the Learn section. Are there any things you have learned today? I made a mistake here, but if you learned anything new today, or are there any questions? That's what I forgot here. Please write it down in the questions section. You can do that, right? All right.